And the guy, I don't know what he did. He's out here, he's in the surf. And I told him to put the ball in the back of his truck. I told him to hurry, and he's meandering and walking down it like he's not in a big hurry. I don't get that at all. Let's see what happens. Behind the tire. Don't worry about that. Go right behind the tire, man. Holy shit. You get that hitch on there?
I'm working on
it. Go right to the tire. Right to the back of the tire. You get your pin in there. You want me to use that shovel, have them use the shovel to get in there. Hey, use the shovel back here and help him dig this out. Back here, man, we gotta hurry.
What are you talking about? Where?
Dig that out back there. No, by the hitch. Dude, by the hitch. Get him the shovel. Dig further back so I get that stinger in there.
That'll work, Gabe. Right here.
Dig underneath it. Dig down.
Right there.
Get your pin in there.
Working on it.
Okay, start digging your tires out again. Dude, start digging the tires out again. Why'd you put chains on there?
Case.
Chains ain't what you do on the sand. That's snow.
Well, in this situation, it was.
You get the pin in there? Did you get the pin in there?
Almost.
You do more digging?
No, I'm just working it in there.
Hi, big guy. Hi. Got it? You got another shovel in there?
Yeah.
Grab your other shovel and start digging the other side out. Pull that board out there if you can.
Stuck hard on that fucking cooler lid. I can't dig under here.
Dig out behind that tire.
Use the high lift,
I can't hear you.
We had to get the high lift under there to get it up anyway, so anyway the cooler lid's stuck on
Well,
that side.
I'm going to throw my rope on there. I'm going to give a light tug. It should come out. Go right behind the tire.
Yeah, we can't hear.
I'm going to back up. We're going to throw the ball on there. What I'm going to have you do, I'm going to give it a light pull, put a little tension on it. You just ease. You do not want to spin those tires with chains now. All you do is dig a hole. Just ease on it. Any way you can pop those chains off there? Or do you have to lift it up again?
No, we can't.
I'm gonna try it easy, but do not spin your tires. All you're gonna do is dig a hole. Will that white thing come out of there?
No, it won't. No.
You try it? Try pulling it out of there. Okay, I'm gonna back up and throw my rope on there. Jiminy Christmas. And all that trouble putting chains on it, and they went backwards. Okay, give it a try. Wait to put this guy out. Dude, hey, you don't hang on to that. You need to back way off. Get your dogs out of here. I'm serious.
Sure. Come on.
Too far. You got about 3 pounds air pressure in that one. Yeah.
Probably not much better on that side.
Oh shit.
What?
About 3 pounds maybe.
I mean,
I'll follow you down at the beach approach, get you off the beach. The only air.
Right. I got a compressor with me.
Oh, do you?
But fuck. Yeah, I just anything we could do, you know, we put the high lift on it.
Are you gonna have to cut that?
No. No. This stuff just likes to tighten up on itself so much.
I came out here
I just
expensive.
bought, I don't know, it's $235 a foot or whatever. For
I got
an inch and a
about
quarter.
I got about 400 or 500 feet of it.
I just bought this shit for my new dock lines for the boat, and fuck, yeah, $250.
Take that one. Pull that one. Yeah, you get it. That should do it.
It's working.
That's the problem with that shit. Once it gets like that,
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it on you, but
got a hammer.
yeah, we got some. I can
got a knife, just cut that knot. Save us. Just you got a knife on you?
Yeah.
Just
I got a Vicky in the truck, but
This thing's got to start to move.
this shit don't like knots.
No, it's real stretchy, this fucking shit, which is good for pulling people out.
oh yeah, there she goes.
Just moving it all.
He's moving, yeah.
Once you get get his compressor out and start putting air in the tires.
What?
Get his compressor out and start
Oh, I
putting.
gotta dig it out.
It's a whole mess
And it'll
of shit.
take, yeah, it'll take.
Grab your knife. Let's just cut that one knot. No, baby.
What happened here? Really don't want to cut it on you.
Just figure out which knot you can cut to save the most amount of rope if you can.
Let's see.
If I can get it right here, and then that'll take it out.
I got a fucking leather one. We'll already cut that shit.
Watch out,
Come on,
tuna.
get out of here.
He cuts like a tuna.
You're getting there. My wife bought this light at Home Depot. $22. It lasts 4 hours.
That light?
Yeah. It's rechargeable.
Is it a rigid? What?
I don't know what it is, but boy, it works.
It's crazy what they do with,
It's
with
three
the LED
it'll-
lights now. It's
It'll
crazy
stay
what
3
they do.
hours on a full charge. Oh, you didn't lose much at all. Cool. Grab your air compressor. I'll load that stuff up. Grab your air compressor. Start putting air in it. I'll just melt it. Don't worry about that. Why don't you see if you can't pop those chains off? That's okay. I'll take care of it tomorrow. Get those chains off there and get that air compressor going.
It'll take us half an hour or something.
Well, if you can get 5 pounds in each one, you get off the beach.